This lesson overviews how to perform both a classified and pixel motion search. Familiarity with this feature will help you complete both an object search and a pixel search. After completing this lesson, you will be able to perform a motion search. This feature is available in these editions of ACC software. To access search options, click the highlighted button. In the menu that appears, click the highlighted button. Note that you may not have this search capability if you are using a third-party camera. Select the camera to complete the motion search. Ensure this option has been selected. Use the highlighted fields to define a search range. In the highlighted section, you can select the object type to be detected. Vehicle types are cars, trucks, buses, motorcycles, and bicycles. You can select any or all of these vehicle types to trigger motion detection. Use this slider to define how certain the system must be in identifying the correct object type. The higher the percentage, the more certain the system must be in determining the object type. The highlighted field defines how long each object must be in the scene before it's included in the search results. The results of the search can be shown as individual objects or as joined by time. Individual objects will display each classified object as an individual search result. Results shown as joined by time will display objects that appear simultaneously as one search result. With this option, select the minimum number of seconds apart. This will define when the next search result is generated. Once you've set the search parameters, click here. The search results are listed along with a number of key details, such as timestamps, the object type, confidence level, and the duration of the event. To play any of the search results, select a result, then click the highlighted button. The selected result will have a green-colored bar in the timeline. Once a result is clicked on, a new set of options is displayed. These options are based on the type of search performed. One of the features of the classified object motion search is that an area can be selected to be excluded as part of the scene search. Objects that are within the exclusion area will not be detected. First, click here to add an exclusion area. The exclusion box can be moved and resized as required. Additionally, multiple exclusion areas can be added to a scene. To change the shape or size of the exclusion area, click and drag any of the red markers on the border. To move the exclusion area, place the cursor over the red overlay until the cursor changes into a hand or the pan tool. Then, click and drag the red overlay to the desired location. To delete an exclusion area, select the exclusion to be deleted. The markers will become active on the exclusion area. Then, click here to remove it. Additionally, the green overlay can also be adjusted by clicking and dragging any of the yellow markers. To move the green overlay, place the cursor over the green overlay until the cursor changes into a hand or the pan tool. Then, click and drag the green overlay to the desired location. The feature allows you to narrow your search to a portion of the scene. The area outside of the green overlay will not be searched. To remove all exclusion areas and reset the scene, click the highlighted button. To access search options, click the highlighted button. In the menu that appears, click the highlighted button. Note that you may not have this search capability if you are using a third-party camera. First, select the camera in which to complete the motion search. Ensure this option is selected. To narrow your search to specific areas in the scene, click the highlighted button. From the menu bar, select this tool. You can use the pencil tool to highlight individual pixels, or you can click the highlighted button to use the Set Area tool to highlight a block of pixels where the event may have occurred. In this demonstration, the area has been highlighted for you. Note that pixel motion search only works if the camera is set to monitor motion and will only search the area highlighted in green. Next, define the time range you want to look through by either setting it in the highlighted area or by dragging the time range markers. In this example, the range has been set for you. You can choose to enable or disable the motion activity image overlay by setting the highlighted toggle. This overlay shows which pixels are changing by highlighting them in red. Drag the highlighted slider to adjust the amount of motion required to return a search result. A high threshold requires more pixels to change before results are found. In this field, set the minimum number of seconds between separate search results. Once you've set the search parameters, click here. The results are immediately listed. Once you select a search result, it's highlighted on the timeline. The related video is also displayed. If required, you can play back the recorded video and zoom in and out to check details. Once a result is clicked on, an additional set of options are displayed. To sum up, in this lesson, you learned how to perform both a classified and pixel motion search. Motion search allows you to search the classified object motion and pixel motion. Classified motion search is always displayed, but only video from a self-learning video analytics device will generate meaningful search results. Pixel motion is readily available and will search for tiny pixel changes in a specific area in the camera's field of view. A number of options are available in both search types to customize the results.